Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG2556S. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer. If there's any error or any issue with the printer, what you need to do is switch off the printer. So make sure there is no light on the printer. The next thing to do is you need to press the stop button and power on button together for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 seconds. Then release the power button. Press and hold it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release the stop button. Then press and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the sixth one, hold it together. The warning light will highlight for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release 2 together. The printer will highlight and switch itself off. So what that means, the printer is reset. You can switch the printer back on. So this is how to reset the printer. So I'm going to recap again. If you want to reset this printer, just switch off the printer. So the light needs to be off completely. So the light is off. To reset it, what you need to do is you need to hold the power and stop button together for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release the power on button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release it. Then press stop button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then number 6, hold it. A warning light will highlight. So press 5, count 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release all the button. The power on button will highlight and it will switch off the printer. The printer is off. So what that means, this printer is reset. You can go ahead and start the printer by switching the printer on. I hope this helped you. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helped the channel. Thank you very much indeed.